Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I was feeling I don't know, I kind of just wanted to play around with some glitter and I just want to play around with some glitter, but I feel like that's pretty much every day for me. But I did forget that I haven't used this palette and I haven't yet tried this palette, and this was something that I've been wanting for a while and I've had my hands on this for a long time. I just never got around to filming with it, so I felt like today was going to be perfect for it. So this is what the palette looks like. This is the Morphe and Saweetie palette, the 24A Artist Pass palette. So it is pretty much festival inspired, and I just really wanted to play around with this. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So I completely forgot about this palette. I have yet to use it. This is the Morphe and Saweetie palette, the 24A Artist Pass palette, and this is what it looks like. So hopefully you can see on camera. I haven't yet swatched it or touched it or done anything with it. I think I want to go in with this shade first. Actually, I'm going to mix these two shades together, and I'm going to use a nice fluffy brush. My go-to Morphe M502. Mix both those colors together. Very pigmented. And let's see. That's actually a really pretty color. So I'm just gonna really just buff and work this into my crease. And I'm gonna bring this pretty high up. I love pulling out the shadows. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try this color also. And just run this right underneath that first shade. That actually looks really, really nice. I'm going to take a little bit of this P. Louise base and just add this right onto my lid. I'm not cutting the crease, I'm just applying a little bit here because I really want to intensify the next shadow I put on. I'm going to go in with this color. So now I'm going to take this fluffy brush with a little bit of that hot pink just to diffuse this color. I'm going to take this color and just add this right into the inner tear duct. And I'm blending it into this pink. Taking the same color, I'm just going to apply this right here. Taking this color, I'm going to run this on the lower lash line. I'm taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to buff and blend that out. I'm bringing it up. Taking that fluffy brush that I used, that really bright pink, I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm just going to lightly dust this underneath. And take a little bit of this hot pink too, and just add this right in the center. I want to do a really intense cat eye. I think I want to add some stars. And I'm going to use the little brush that it came with. I don't know what this is, but it's just a nice little rubber tip. So I got one star. Let's do it right here. It's made it a lot easier to apply this. And I think I want to add a star right in this area. I think I lost it. I do want to add a little bit more glitter. I'm trying to hold this properly. So I think I'm just going to add a very small amount of this color right here. I think I'm going to use the same little brush. Oh, I found the star. Just going to use a very, very tiny amount. And let's add this right here. Just in the center. Okay, so I decided to add the glitter from here to just the center. Because it was looking a little strange just right in the center. And I'm not trying to go too high with this either. I think I like this as is. I'm not going to do anything else. We're just going to do some lashes. Okay, so these are the lashes that I'm wearing. I got them off of Amazon. I will link them down below for you guys. This is what the box looks like. Lashes. I'm gonna add a little bit of brown liner in my waterline. For blush and highlighter, I'm going to use this Hello Halo from Wet n Wild, and this is in Flash Me. So let's start off with the highlighter. I think I'm going to add a little bit of this right here. Okay, so going in with this e.l.f. blush, this is in Bright Pink. I'm just going in pretty heavy-handed with this. I'm just going to add a little bit everywhere else. Okay, and for my lips, I went in with Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner and this really pretty pink from Color Raine. This is in Charmed, and this is what it looks like. It's such a beautiful, just soft pink lipstick. Alright, so this is a completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really like the way everything turned out. I'm a huge fan of glitter, sparkles, and I really, really liked these little stars that came in this palette right here. The brush set that it came with, well, you had to buy separately, but the brush set that's part of this collection was really, really perfect for the glitter, and especially for these little stars. It just made everything so much easier to just put on. And yeah, I had a lot of fun creating this for you. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.